I promise myself I'm doing long live stream. If I have a house to charge my phone, but I'm here in the small tent house in the street. I don't because I'm homeless, no home. That's why my live stream is very short. It's only 1 minute or 2 minutes. I'm very sorry for my short live stream, everyone, because my phone is getting so fast charger. Alobat.